What's included in a vehicle inspection checklist? Are you a teenager getting ready to hit the road? One of the best ways to boost your confidence and ensure your safety is by performing a pre-trip vehicle inspection. But what exactly should you check? Let's break it down. First up, you need to look at the tires and wheels. Start by checking the tire pressure. You can find the recommended levels in your vehicle's manual or on the driver's side or jam. Proper tire pressure is key for good handling and fuel efficiency. Next, inspect the tire tread depth and look for any visible damage like cuts or bulges. Make sure all lug nuts are tight and that the wheels are secure. Next, let's move on to fluid levels and their condition. Use the dipstick to check the engine oil level. It should be within the marked range and not dirty. Verify the coolant level to prevent your engine from overheating. Don't forget to check the brake fluid level, as this is critical for safe braking. Also, make sure your windshield washer fluid is full so you can keep your windshield clean while driving. Now let's talk about lights and signals. Test all exterior lights, including headlights, brake lights, turn signals, hazard lights, and reverse lights. Clean lenses and ensure bulbs are working to maintain visibility and communicate with other drivers. Next, check the brakes and steering. Listen for any unusual noises when you press the brake pedal. The pedal should feel firm, not spongy. Make sure the steering wheel moves smoothly without excessive play or vibrations. Also, check the parking brake to ensure it holds the vehicle in place. Don't forget to look at the dashboard for any warning indicators. Check for lights like check engine, tire pressure, or oil pressure alerts. Address any warning lights before you drive to avoid potential problems. Now let's check mirrors and windows. Adjust your side and rearview mirrors for a clear view around the vehicle. Clean all windows and mirrors to remove dirt, snow, or ice, especially in winter. This will help you maintain visibility on the road. Safety equipment is next. Ensure seat belts are functioning and that all passengers buckle up before you start driving. Confirm that airbags and other safety features are in working order. Adjust the driver's seat for comfort and control. Also, remove distractions by putting away your phone and setting climate controls before you drive. Lastly, consider additional seasonal checks. In winter, clear snow and ice from all windows and mirrors. In rainy conditions, check your windshield wipers and replace them if they are worn. Make sure your wiper fluid is full. Test your headlights and brake lights more often during shorter daylight hours. For teen drivers, making a habit of this pre-trip vehicle inspection helps you take responsibility for your car and reduces the risk of accidents caused by vehicle issues. It builds awareness of how your car operates and what to monitor regularly. Starting with these basics creates a safer driving experience and helps you avoid unexpected breakdowns on the road.